Hello everyone, welcome to another video of 1-2-Step YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you on how to download Telegram on your desktop and use it. First of all, go to any browser that you want and go to the search bar and search for telegram.org. Once you have searched for it, now you should be on this website. Scroll down to where it says Telegram for PC, Mac and Linux. Click on Telegram for PC, Mac and Linux. Once you click on it, this website should pop up. On the middle of the screen, you will see a button which says Get Telegram for Windows. Click on it. Choose the file, choose the path of the file. Click Save. And your Telegram should be downloaded. Go to your files and go to Downloads and click on the setup that you just downloaded. Once you click on it, this little window should pop up. Select the language you want. Click on OK. Click on Next. Click on Next again. Click on Next one more time and click on Install. Now once your installation is done, you can tick mark the Launch Telegram and click on Finish. And your Telegram desktop is already installed.